Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, are you looking for the ultimate dash cam? Because inside this box is the FONDIM A99WB. And this dash cam is seriously packed with features, having a 2K front dash cam, also a 1080p rear, but even better, it records inside your cabin with a 170-degree wide angle. Not just that, it's got its own radar built in, plus G sensor, so no matter what happens to your vehicle, this will capture it. Plus so many more, like a low voltage meter, but there is so much. So let's put this through the 11 out of 10 test. Let's unbox it, install it, and see what it's like out in the real world. Let's jump into it. Let's start with a great unboxing. On opening up the box, the first thing you'll see is this micro 64GB SD card. The user manual, including installation guide, is well printed, easy to follow with step-by-step instructions. Next, you'll find your A99WB, and instantly this feels great quality in the hand. It has the memory slot, power, also rear camera input. It has this beautiful in-cabin camera with 170-degree wide angle, plus it's got a built-in radar, what means you can have it on medium or high settings. The buttons feel good to the touch and easy to press, meaning that navigation through the menus should be super easy. The front display seems nice and big, so it should make it nice and easy to read and see. You get two options to wire up your dash cam. One is these dummy fuses, that means that all you have to do is pop it into your fuse box and then connect the wires. The other is OBD2, that makes it super easy and will come on and off to when you start your vehicle. It even comes with some spare sticky pads. The next thing you'll find is your reversing camera. This feels good quality in the hand, and it comes with a very generous cable to fit any size vehicle. It even comes with lots of free gifts that make installation even easier, including these windscreen protectors, many more spare sticky pads so you can move it from car to car. Also a nice tinted lens, so if you're in high sunlight you're going to get that perfect picture, and even a card reader for your computer so you can get your files nice and quick. To make fitting easy, they've provided you with a trim tool. Also you've got this Type-C cable as well. Not just that, they provide you with cable tidies to keep your wiring nice and neat. And that's everything you'll find inside the box, so it's time to move on to installation. The first thing you need to do is take your A99WB, remove the protective film, and then take your ND filter and simply pop it into place. Take your 64GB micro SD card and slide it into the slot. Open up your pack of free gifts, take your windscreen protector, peel off the film, and then select the perfect place to place your camera and pop that onto your screen. Take your A99WB, remove all of the protective films, including the one on the mounting sticker. Then simply pop it into place with a nice firm push, and it'll be nice and secure. Now it's time to decide how you want to power your A99WB. I've decided to go for the OBD2 port. This is really easy. Locate your OBD2 port and simply plug it in. Then with the other end, plug that into your A99WB and hide all of the cabling behind your panels using your trim tool provided if needed. Installing the rear camera is just as easy. Take your windscreen protector, pop that on, take your rear camera and pop that into the place that you wish. Plug it in and then do exactly the same. Just hide all of the cables behind your trim with the trim tool, making a nice neat job. And that's installation complete. All you need to do is start your engine and your A99WB will fire into life. The first thing to do is format your SD card, and then you can go through all of the individual settings, setting up your dash cam to work exactly how you want it to. Inside your user manual there is a QR code. Open up your phone and then just scan the QR code, taking you directly to the app that you need, that's called the TS Cam. All you need to do is install that, and as soon as you've done so, you can connect to your dash cam. To put your A99WB into Wi-Fi mode, simply hold down the OK button for around 3 seconds, then follow the options to connect to your dash cam. Once you're in, it's a great time to adjust your cameras to make sure they're in the perfect place. What's really awesome about the app is you can go back and look at all the footage that you've caught. So if something's happened, you can simply click on it and you can watch it right to the second. With everything done, it's time to move on to the real world test. And the forward camera with its 2K is seriously impressive. It's got that 2K HDR quality, and the rear camera really packs a punch too. But not just that, you've got this in-cabin camera so you can pick up everything that's going on. Because the dash cam comes with built-in GPS, you can see you've got your GPS coordinates at the bottom left hand side of the screen, plus your miles per hour, your date and your time. So if anything ever happens, you know you're going to have that date, time and location at the touch of your fingertips. As you can see from this busy environment that these cameras work absolutely incredibly. You're picking up all the detail in such fine good quality, being able to read all of the number plates, all the information around you including road signs. The rear camera is 180p and gives you that real clear quality picture as well. So if anything happens to you, say hits the rear of your vehicle, the front of your vehicle, or somebody comes up to try and steal your keys or get in your vehicle, you've got every angle covered. Moving on to high speed driving. This is a 70-mile-an-hour road, and straight away you can see that there is very little motion blur coming from these cameras, meaning that you're still capturing that crisp image the entire time. But the best thing about the A99WB is it has this built-in dual side clip 360 radar sensor. Because say for instance now you've pulled into a supermarket and parked your car, you can switch on your radar. It can be on 2 different settings, medium or high. That means if anything hits your car, it's going to capture that and save it in a secure file. But the best bit of it is, if you don't want to use that feature, you can just switch it off. Now it's time to move on to what is the hardest test of all: night, bad weather, poor visibility. And the A99WB really shines through here because it really is pitch black outside with that rain pouring down, and most dash cameras would really struggle to pick up any image whatsoever. But the A99WB, as you can see, gives you a clear image still. You can see what's going on in front, let alone it's chucking it down with rain, and it's also got that MD filter on it. But the rear camera as well is picking up good quality footage, what still means if anything happens, you're going to capture it, so you are 100% covered in case you have a problem with your claim. I'm so impressed that it's able to pick up anything at all in such bad conditions. Now this dash cam is full of so many more features, like low voltage protection. That means that it will stop working before it drains your battery, so you always know when you come back to it, it will start. That makes it ideal for those parking situations. You could leave it running in a car park, picking up anything that happens to your car, so you're completely safe again. And also being fully customizable, it means that you could, if you so wish, you could remove the rear camera, not run the in-cab camera, and have that front camera running at just 4K the entire time. But there are so many settings, you can adjust how long you want it to record for and more. I'm sure you'll agree with me that the A99WB really packs a punch with that 2K front footage, in-cab footage and rear footage, making sure that you're 100% covered no matter what happens. If you're ever caught in an accident, you can prove it's not your fault with this dash cam. It really is next level. But to get yours, all you need to do is pop down into the description where you will find the latest discount code and all the links that you need to pick yours up today. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with a friend that might be interested in this dash cam to make sure they've got all the information that they need. Plus, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any of the latest tech in the automotive space. And I will see you on the next adventure here on the Helmet Head channel. Bye bye for now.